Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time stopping by to my channel, my name is Atinuke. So today I'll be sharing with you how I achieved this lovely ponytail with coily end. I know you've already seen the thumbnail, so I'm showing you guys what I'm going to be using from the beginning of the video. I'm going to be using my Brazilian wool, got to be spray glue, elastic band to hold the ponytail down. So you can see what I'm doing. I just section the middle part so that the ponytail is going to fall to the upside, to the front part. So it's not a must for the section at the middle of the head to be neat. Just use your hand to section it. As you can see, I'm doing mine. So the struggle is real. I'm trying to put my head together. So because I didn't straighten my hair, I always do my ponytail without using any heat. This method really works so good for me. So this is my got-to-be glue. I'll just spray it. Is it glue or gel? I'll just spray it on my hair. Then I'll use my brush to brush it down. This is very important. When you spray the hair glue or hair gel on your hair, make sure you use the brush to brush it down. So now you can see what I'm doing. I'm just brushing it down. That is the only thing I'm going to be using. Yes, that is the only. This really works very good for me than me using hair gel. If I use hair gel, I have white residues. I don't know why. So now I've already tied down the hair to make sure it's laid down. So you can see that is the curly hair I'm going to be using. Expression product. I use 140 strands of this Brazilian wool. I cut it to my desired length. I use 140 strand. You can see I use my band to hold it down to make sure it form a ponytail. I have a tutorial on my channel on how I achieve another ponytail using Brazilian wool. If you don't want to braid it down before you attach it to your hair, I'll put the link on somewhere up here. You can see I've already hold the band. I hold it to my mannequin head. I use my pin to hold it down. Then I start braiding. Now I will section the expression coily hair I'm going to be using. I didn't see color 1 at the store I got it. I didn't even see color 1B. I saw only 4. Then I need to make this tutorial, so I was like, let me just go with the 4. I'll know what to do. Let's just pretend this is color 1B coily hair. So you can see I sectioned the coily hair into 3 from the beginning. I had the first one, the second one, the third one. Then I had a very big amount of coily hair to the fourth one. After I'm done braiding, I'm going to use a rubber band to hold it down. The main reason why I section the coily hair into so that I can use the one that are longer to wrap, where I use elastic band to hold so that it won't show. That is very important. That is the main reason why I section the coily hair into 4. So I'm going to be using those ones that are longer. I'm going to use it to wrap it. Can you see? I'm just wrapping it down. Then after I'm done wrapping it down, I'm going to be using my got-to-be glue hair spray. I'll use it to hold it down. It will hold it to make it tacky. So now I'm going to be using my hand to flop out the hair to make it floppy, so that the coils is going to be bouncing. After I'm done doing that, I'm going to be using my hair mousse. I'm going to be applying it to make the coils look so amazing. Now we are going to be attaching this to our hair. Yes, I'm just attaching it to my hair. Then I'll flip it back. I'll take some amount of Brazilian wool. I didn't count this part. I didn't count it. I'm going to be using it to wrap it round. spray to hold it. Then to secure it very well for you to be sure, I will use my bobby pin to hold it down. So this is the final look. So that is what I'm trying to say. You can see that it's not showing where I added the braiding, sorry, the coily head to the tip is not showing. So now just giving you the angles. Can you see? This looks so beautiful. I really love the outcome. I can easily rock this ponytail anytime I'm in hurry. I'll just attach it back to my hair. So that is all for the video. Thank you so much for watching. Kindly please make sure you support your girl by clicking on the like button, comment, share. Guys, please and please always like, always give your girls a thumbs up. I really appreciate that. And please subscribe to my channel. Support your girl by watching my video. I really appreciate that so much. This really means a lot to me. Make sure you please subscribe, share with your loved one, like, comment. See my next videos. Stay blessed. Bye bye.